How to fix Snapchat memories not loading on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So first you will just open your settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then as you see here, you will find all the application that you have on your phone. What you should do, just search for Snapchat. Then when you found it, just open it like this, scroll down screen and go to storage and go to clear data, then click OK and go back and click first tab and click OK, and that's it guys. Yeah, so I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.